That clip you've been seeing everywhere on YouTube? Three masked guys on a front porch yelling "Seattle police," trying to kick a door in. Then the homeowner opens up and the whole thing turns into a chaos-filled shootout on camera. Here's why it's blowing up again right now. The 2023 Auburn, Washington case just got fresh heat from guilty plea and sentencing coverage. So the algorithm dragged the footage right back to the top of everybody's feed. And that's the moment where a lot of folks stop scrolling and start thinking about what they'd actually trust if the worst night of their life showed up at the front door. So today, we're keeping it practical and responsible. 3 home defense shotguns for 2026, picked for reliability, real-world track records, and features that make sense when you're not in a calm, controlled range limit. Let's get right into it and run our top choices. At number 3, we've got the Benelli M4, and it's widely regarded as one of the finest semi-automatic tactical shotguns on the market. It was originally developed for the U.S. Marine Corps, where it's designated as the M1014, and that heritage shows in how it's built and how it runs. The Benelli M4 is a 12-gauge shotgun that's gas-operated, using the innovative ARGO system, auto-regulating gas-operated. That design pulls cleaner gas from farther up the barrel, which helps reduce fouling and boosts long-term reliability. The system uses 2 pistons that contact the bolt directly. That setup makes it simpler and lighter than a lot of traditional gas systems, while still staying rugged. This shotgun has a reputation for durability in demanding environments, backed up by real adoption from elite forces like the SAS, Israeli Special Forces, and law enforcement agencies worldwide. In other words, it's earned trust in places where gear gets pushed hard. The version described here comes with a titanium-colored Cerakote-style finish, an 18.5-inch barrel, and a 5+1 magazine capacity, making it well-suited for heavy use. Whether you're thinking combat history, duty use, or hard training cycles, it's built for the long haul. You also get a ghost ring sight setup and a receiver that's drilled and tapped for optic customization. That combination helps with quick target acquisition and keeps your options open. On ammo flexibility, it can run a wide range from cheap birdshot up to heavy slugs. But it does not cycle every shell, and it may struggle with ultra-low-powered rounds, even though it handles low-recoil buckshot with ease. Recoil management is another strong point. It helps minimize kick and muzzle rise, which is why many shooters consider it one of the softer shooting shotguns in its class. It's also fast cycling, capable of sending 5 rounds in rapid succession, helped along by a smooth and responsive trigger. When a semi-auto is tuned right, you feel it immediately. Now, even with all that performance, the Benelli M4 has some drawbacks. The small bolt release button is a real complaint because it can be tough to hit cleanly, especially under pressure. The safety button behind the trigger won't be everyone's favorite either, since some shooters prefer a forward safety location. And the lack of factory rail systems on the forend for mounting accessories like lights and lasers is another limitation, even though the aftermarket can solve it. Customization is still a big plus for the Benelli M4 because the aftermarket support is strong. Owners can add Picatinny rails, optics, and other accessories to match their needs. With an overall length of about 40 inches and a weight around 7.8 pounds, it balances portability with stability. That combination is part of why it's considered a top-tier tactical firearm. And then there's the price. You're typically looking at a starting price around $1,950, and it can climb upward of $2,400 for specific models. That cost reflects the quality and combat-ready reliability, but it may be overkill for casual use, like home defense or recreational shooting. Ultimately, the Benelli M4 is built for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the best. Its reliability, precision, and durability make it a favorite among military and law enforcement professionals. And for those who can justify the cost, it delivers a shooting experience few semi-autos can match. Whether for tactical applications or personal satisfaction, the Benelli M4 remains a gold standard in the semi-automatic shotgun world. Second on the list is the Remington 870 Tactical, priced around $500. It carries the legacy of the famous 870 series, while adapting to modern tactical and home defense needs. Built on the reliable Model 870 platform, it brings robust performance with features aimed at versatility and dependability. It's also a clear example of Remington trying to regain its reputation after recent challenges. The 870 Tactical comes in a sleek all-black look with a durable synthetic stock, a 6-position Magpul CTR stock, and a Hogue pistol grip. Add adjustability and comfortable handling for different users and situations. The 18.5-inch barrel with a cylinder choke keeps it compact without giving up effectiveness, which matters in close-quarter environments. And with a 6+1 capacity, it gives you a solid amount of ammunition for critical moments. You also get a bright orange magazine follower for clearer visual confirmation, plus single bead sights for a clean, simple sight picture. Add in the Flexi-Tab anti-jam system and sling mounts, and it's clearly built around practical use. One of the biggest selling points of the 870 Tactical is reliability, and that's been earned over decades. The 870 series has proven it can take rough conditions and still run, even when maintenance isn't perfect, which is why so many law enforcement and tactical teams try it. This modern iteration aims to keep that tradition alive, and many users report smooth action and consistent performance. The rugged bolt and receiver design only adds to that confidence. Performance-wise, the 870 Tactical delivers the kind of devastating firepower people expect from a defensive shotgun. And despite the old myth that shotguns don't need aiming, the reality is precise targeting still matters if you want the results you're counting on. Its compact size and manageable recoil make it workable for users across different skill levels. The center axis relock technique, described here as a close-quarters grip, can further boost its utility in tight spaces by supporting rapid, controlled firing. Even with its strengths, there are a few downsides. At about 7.5 pounds, it can feel a little cumbersome during prolonged use. And while the matte black finish is practical and good-looking, it doesn't have the classic shine some folks prefer. Also, performance can vary a bit depending on ammunition brands, which is why it's smart to test and find what runs best in your specific gun. Overall, the Remington 870 Tactical hits a strong balance of affordability, reliability, and tactical versatility. Its adjustable stock, ergonomic design, and dependable action make it a solid choice for home defense or tactical use. And at the price, it's a lot of shotgun for the money. At number 1, the top spot goes to the Mossberg 590, a pump-action shotgun that's widely respected for reliability and versatility. It has a real history in military and law enforcement use, and it's proven it can keep going in tough conditions. That track record makes it a top choice for home defense and tactical roles. Priced around $600, the Mossberg 590 brings a strong mix of durability and customization, which makes it an excellent value. It's available as a 12-gauge with a 3-inch chamber, and it comes in different configurations and capacities to suit different needs. The setup described here includes a 6+1 capacity, an 18.5-inch barrel, and a cylinder bore choke for defensive effectiveness. One of the key features of the Mossberg 590 is how consistently it runs. It's been tested in tough environments, and whether you're using buckshot, slugs, or birdshot, the pump action stays smooth without feeding or cycling issues. Exactly what you want in a high-pressure moment. The tang-mounted safety and the magazine release behind the trigger guard are set up for straightforward use. That layout is friendly to both right-handed and left-handed shooters, which is a real-world advantage. The 590 is listed here at about 7.25 pounds, which can feel heavy for long hours in the field. But that weight helps absorb recoil, especially with heavy slugs and buckshot, and the thick rubber butt pad adds comfort during extended shooting. Versatility is another reason the 590 stands out. Right out of the box, it can cover everything from home defense to hunting, and it's described as accurate enough to hit targets at 50 to 100 yards with slugs. For self-defense, the point is simple. It's ready when needed, and the customization options are broad, letting owners pick different stocks and sight configurations, plus add-ons like foregrips, lights, or side saddle mounts for extra rounds. The trigger is described as a bit heavy and stacky, but it still offers a dependable break for tactical or defensive use. If someone is chasing match-grade perfection, they might not love it, but for the intended role, it does the job. Even with all the upsides, there are a few drawbacks worth noting. Some users may find the weight annoying over long carry periods, even if it stays manageable during typical tactical use. Also, the fixed stock with a 14.5-inch length of pull may not fit smaller frame shooters, or anyone who prefers a shorter stock. The good news is Mossberg offers different stock options, and aftermarket modifications are widely available to help get the fit right. Cleaning the 590 is generally straightforward, but there's one possible hassle. If you've got a heat shield, cleaning behind it can be a bit cumbersome because it may require removing screws to pull that shield off. In conclusion, the Mossberg 590 is an excellent option for anyone who wants a reliable, durable, and customizable shotgun. Even if the weight and stock length won't be ideal for everybody, the overall capability and value make it a top contender in the pump action category, especially around $600. And that wraps up our look at the top 3 home defense shotguns for 2025. From the Benelli M4's military-grade performance to the versatile Mossberg 590, these shotguns bring exceptional reliability and power. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates.